Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. Today I want to discuss, well, just talk about my another tool or tools that I have used during my career as an electrician. This is the GREENLEE knockout set and the GREENLEE hole saw set. Now, I know a lot of you guys, or some of you guys may frown up for me talking about things like this. As an electrician, we use all sorts of tools. And my channel is about the tools the electricians use. That's why it's called the Electrician's Tool Channel. And we use things other than just a pair of Klein needle nose, a pair of Klein linesman, Fluke multimeter, or Klein multimeter, things like that. We use all an assortment of tools. And this is one of the things, this set right here, some of the tools that I have used and I still use sometime. And we talk about the things that tools that I made, I don't use that much. Right here before you is the GREENLEE ratcheting knockout punch set, number 7238SB. It's a knockout punch set, and the GREENLEE 830 variable pitch hole saw kit. That's the one right here. We have different sizes, and this is what I've used throughout my career as an electrician. I don't use them as much anymore because I use mainly these step bits right here. This is much quicker and much faster, and it gets but I won't get rid of these because there are times where just because I don't use them as much doesn't mean that they won't be needed. Now, for some of my viewers that's in the UK and Canada and around the world, I don't know if y'all have ever used these. I'm sure you're probably familiar with it. If y'all have ever used these before, doing your electrical work or making holes inside of panel for your conduit or your fittings to go through. If not, just for my viewers around the world, outside the US, this basically how you use this thing is. This is a ratchet, basically a wrench, to tighten and to loosen. So, no, not to loosen, but to ratchet. It's a ratchet when you're tightening it. Basically what you do in a metal box, it could be a big yellow, a big conduit junction box. Basically what you do, you make a pilot hole, a hole with whatever size bit you're going to use, big enough or small enough so that like this can go through, and you put that on the end, put this inside the hole like this, and once that's tight, you put that up. Well, do like this. Let me see, I got it off. Yeah, on. You do like that, and you tighten it, and it's a ratcheting that goes, and then after you get snug, these blades that's on here, it makes a hole, and it's a real clean hole. And using this is very accurate. They have sizes that from 1/2, 3/4, 1 inch, and 1 1/4 inch, and this is a three quarter bolt right here. We have 2 inch right here, and we have 1.5 inch, and this is a real good tool to have. I wouldn't get rid of it for the world. Now, brand new, a tool set like this may cost you, when I bought this, paid like $500, about $500, full $500 from GREENLEE. I don't know how much they are now because everybody have them. GREENLEE was the company to go to, but now I know they have other companies like Gardner and Bender has them, Klein has them, another company called Current has them also, but this is a real nice tool set to have. So I recommend, if you don't have one and you're dealing with have to put holes in metal boxes and stuff like that, this would be something good to get. And these also. Now this whole set, this hole saw kit over here, the same thing. Same thing. If you had to use this to put a hole inside of something, this is bimetal saws right here, hole saws right here, and you do the same thing. You use this to drill your hole, and this connects into here. Let me see. It connects it. Hold on a minute. Let me get it right for you. It drills in. It goes into here, like so. And they have two holes that's ready to lock this into here, like that, and just tighten this up in the back. And it stops it from moving. It locks it in there, and you just drill, and it cuts a nice and clean hole through that. But both of these sets are real nice. I really like them, and I won't get rid of them. No, I won't get rid of them. They are very useful, very useful. And if you guys out there who are just starting out in the trade, if you guys who are just starting out in the trade and looking for what tools to buy, you know, as an electrician, well, you may want to consider purchasing some of these things right here. You want to be well-rounded. Also, these two, to make your holes inside of your cabinets or your panel boxes to run your conduit inside of. Don't just rely on these all the time. You can't, you know, but this is something good to have also. So I just want to make a short video about these things right here. Again, this is the GREENLEE model number 830 variable pitch hole saw kit. And this one is the GREENLEE SLUG BUSTER model number 723-8SB knockout punch set with ratcheting wrench. So this is a real, both of them are real nice, really nice, and I recommend you have them. So I just want to thank y'all again for stopping by and viewing my channel. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the shares, the likes. I really appreciate it. Just keep it coming, man. We could talk tools. Thank you once again. And in the meantime, you guys be safe out there. Peace.